Hello everyone and welcome to our course. In this lecture, we're going to jump right in and learn what is Apache Spark. Alright, so Apache Spark is an open source unified analytics engine specifically built for large-scale data processing. And in this course, we're going to learn how we can use Apache Spark with Python. This is a module known as PySpark. We're going to use Spark with Python to have a unified analytics engine for big data processing. With Apache Spark, we have built-in modules for streaming, SQL, machine learning, and graph processing. And in this way, Apache Spark has the highest potential to bridge big data and machine learning. Apache Spark runs fast. It's up to 100 times faster than traditional Hadoop MapReduce. And this is due to in-memory operation. As well, Apache Spark offers robust, distributed, and fault-tolerant data objects. These are known as Resilient Distributed Datasets, RDD, and we'll talk about what those are in the next lecture. As well, Apache Spark has APIs, application programming interfaces for Java, Scala, and Python. You can cache datasets in memory for interactive data analysis thanks to Apache Spark. This means you can extract a working set, cache it, and query it as many times as you need. As well, Apache Spark integrates with machine learning and graph analytics through supplementary packages, for example, mlib and GraphX. Apache Spark has Python integration, which is what we are going to be using in this course. This is known as PySpark, and it is an interface. It allows you to interface with the Spark framework. You can manipulate data at scale and work with objects and algorithms over a distributed file system. We're going to learn how we can work with a spreadsheet in this course, how we can get data and then turn it into a data frame with PySpark, Python, and Apache Spark. Then we're going to learn more about how we can work with the data frame and query it as well as manipulate it. And that is Apache Spark. Join me in the next lecture where we will dive deeper into what is a resilient distributed data set.